Ito na.
Tikman mo.
That's dirty. Baby!
Merry Christmas.
Oh! Hold me! Spare me a hold! Where did you find this?
At the ground.
Ah!
No. Let Wawa and Lolo to touch it.
Wawa!
Ma-picture nga kayo dyan. Lolo.
I will find one!
Lolo, tasok ko yan. Merry Christmas. One, two. Yan.
Ako yan, napulot ko.
Ganda. Nakita ko.
Napulot ko. Oh, that's frozen.
No, I mean the spicy one.
The spiky.
Ayun o, dami rin o.
Yeah, here, baby. There's a lot in here. Kuya, here, oh, the big one, oh.
Can I get the big one?
Yeah.
Okay, I get you. Kuya.
Give me the one I point at, okay?
This one?
Yes.
Ah, ito pa.
Matalas, ah.
Oh no!
Kuya,
break.
another one.
It's break.
It's too hard.
And this is too big. Wow.
Tigas, eh.
Ayan.
Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Pupunta kami sa Mount Buffalo, pero sa Bright muna kami. Time check, it's 9:58. It's Sunday. And complete the family. Hello! Hi! Leto kami guys. Less than 10 days na lang, babalik na sila ng Pilipinas. Buti na lang off ko na ngayon. Okay, see you! Samahan nyo kami later. Bye! Ayan guys. Saan na tayo? Ayan. So, 1 hour and 10 minutes. Papunta doon.
Lolo naman yan si...
Abudonga pa lang to guys. Sana may snow or frost. Kasi sabi, ang temperature niya, negative 6. Siguro pagdating namin doon, mga negative 1 na lang. Ayan guys, dito tayo pinadaan anyway sa sa old road, hindi sa main highway. Pero maganda rin kasi pag dito ka dumaan, walang truck. So magandang mag-cruising. Sa highway kasi nandun lahat, mga truck, mga kasabay. Dito maganda lang. Cruising lang kayo. Yan. Mga private cars lang yung mga dumadaan. Okay lang kayo dyan?
Okay.
Ha?
Okay lang. Baby, okay lang.
Relax lang si Julissa.
Hindi mo di makikita.
Ayan guys, so ang ganda.
Dito naman sa gabi pa din.
Oo, madilim. Tsaka maraming mga
Kangaroo.
kangaroos. Okay guys, time check tayo. It's 10:43. Tinatanim yan? 10:43, tapos 26 Saan? Guys, ang liit ng kalsada. Ayan o. Maka nyo guys, liblib na lugar na to. May kalsada pa rin. At maayos yung kalsada. Hindi siya yung... Kumbaga na well-maintained siya. Hindi siya bako-bako. Ayan. Diyan na pupunta ang tax namin. Laki ng tax. Pero okay lang. Kita mo naman, nakikita mo yung convenient. Diba? Oh guys, Happy Valley Road daw tayo. So, saan yan? Kanan. Full stop. Ayan.
5.5 kilometers, turn left onto Great Alpine Road.
Ganda ng mountain guys. So, punong-puno ng pine tree. Oh, ganda. Green na green. Guys, so, tingnan nyo, oh. Christmas in July. Dito sa Bright. Ang lamig kasi. Winter. Yan. Yeah, Christmas in July.
Yeah, no, you gotta keep some on. You keep that on.
And guys, dito na tayo ulit sa Bright. Oh, grabe. Christmas in July. Di ba? Oh.
Seatbelt.
Sana muna.
So, dito na ulit tayo sa Bright. Magto-toilet lang muna tayo. Tapos hahanap tayo ng makakainan bago tayo umakyat ulit sa Mount Buffalo. Hi, Christmas in July dito sa Australia. Hi, baby. What? Ang lamig. Ang sarap ng weather. Guys, dyan kami maglaland sa Katsu Japanese restaurant. O, ba? Hello! Dito kami nag-lunch guys sa Katsu Japanese restaurant. Yan ang kay mama, kay baby girl. Sa, ayan. Dito kami ngayon sa Bright guys. Hello! Hi pa!
Video.
Video. Hello, baby. Hi, baby. Guys, dito tayo sa store. Ayan, Christmas in July. Nice. Mga ornaments, oh. Ang ganda.
Mama, may afterpay ko ah.
Nice. And guys, so many here. Chocolate mix and mugs. Cappuccino latte. Yeah. It's like Christmas in July. Is it, baby? There's a Christmas in July?
Look at this.
Wow.
This one is so big.
Yeah. You like it? Could you sit and talk me? Where's me there?
What?
Not in there. Okay. So guys, so vintage silver 7-foot sin-free lit tree. Vintage daw to guys.
Where is everybody?
They're outside.
What are they doing outside?
I don't know. They don't want to look around. But me, I like to look around here.
Look.
Oh, wow. Like ballerina.
They're friends.
Mm-hmm.
The mental fish in one.
Ito na nga guys.
But you
Ito
can
yung
buy
mga
that. You can buy that little.
ornaments. Diba? So, pinapil mo na parang Christmas. Kasi malamig. Christmas in July nga, diba? Dito sa Australia.
These
What?
look like cookies.
Oh, yeah. That's ginger.
Janessa, show your teeth.
Look at the kuya.
The gingerbread
Janessa,
woman.
Yeah.
show your teeth.
The
Janessa,
gingerbread man.
show your teeth. Nice.
The snowman.
Yeah. The snowman.
Look, the toy shop. Oh, there's another toy shop.
Crunchy.
What?
Wow.
Another gingerbread man. It looks like candy. Made in China. Hey, Mom. Mom.
Yeah. Pili tayo nito. Kasi dito siya. Scented. Bango. Scented soap. $7.50 siya. Tapos made in Australia. Ang bango, guys.
This one smells good.
Oh, it's ice cream. Yeah. For Lola in the Philippines, Quezon. This is for you, Mama.
But this is for,
This is for Wawawi. I bought two.
and I bought one for them too, if they want the spare one.
Ay, put it back.
Janessa, look.
What?
It's a blood.
Kuya, follow me. I'm going to show you something.
Do you have a magnet? Fridge magnet? Okay guys, ito naman si Santa Cookie. Yeah, it's a soap as well. Yeah.
But it smells good.
Yeah, it smells good. So, kuha tayo nitong isa. And this is linen.
Smells big.
Careful, baby. What smells like? Snowflake. Candy cane mocha.
Help me open.
Just twist it.
I'm twisting it. Oh, this is backwards or forwards?
Yeah. Or how about the cozy Christmas cabin? just point. Gusto kami breakfast and lunch. Aakyat na kami sa Mount Papalo. Dito kami sa Bright. Hi everyone! Hi! Ayun na nga guys. Samahan nyo ulit kami. This is our third time, no? Third time ng pag-akyat.
Malalaman na naman yun.
Guys, yung dumaan tayo dito dati, no? Autumn. Color red yung leaves dyan, ng mga puno. Ngayon, wala no. Kasi winter, no? Naglaglaga na. So, wala na yung maroon color na mga leaves dyan. So, ang natira na lang, mga pine tree na merong dahon. Ngayon, wala na. Ayan. After this naman, spring. May natira pang konti. Ayan. Yan pang natira. Ayan. Ayan. Wala pa. May konti. Pero parang brown na eh. Ayan na guys. Ayan guys, nandito ulit tayo sa taas ng Mount Bapalo. Tapos ayun guys yung yung mga may snow na mountain. Yan, dyan.
What's this game?
Okay guys, walang lalapit Magbibideo lang ako.
Baka mahulog, wag mo na i-ano dyan. Tama na yung masyado.
Ayan guys. Ganda. Ang lamig.
Sa akin, kahit di pa ako tumama, wala na akong bali.
Hello guys. Ayan.
Paano sila yung damo yun? Damo yan.
Ayan na guys. Lolo.
Wag ka dito, damo na yan, oh. Yung dito, damo na yan, diretso ka rin sa tubig.
Ang lambot. Ang lambot. Video to Baby, don't go on the side.
Can we make a snow angel?
No, we cannot there. Kuya, ako na.
There's bad people. Hey mom, look. Hey mom, look. They're bad people. Ay, tingin sa vlog, guys.
Nice. What's that, Vanessa? You go there on the other side then.
No, let's go on the other side.
Madulas may kalsada. Oo, madulas.
Ayan guys, oh. Nag-frozen na yung tubig, oh.
Ang kapal.
Ang kapal?
Frozen water.
Ang kapal.
Is this frozen water?
Yeah, it is. It is. Oh, it's slippery as well.
Ah!
No, no, baby, it's slippery.
Baby.
Oh my God.
Tar. Buto na lang may paper.
Oo nga.
I didn't do that.
Slippery dito, oh. Slippery. Slippery. Baby, let's go. You gotta help.
That's so rock. That's rock solid.
That's not a rock. It's just a frozen
No, I
water.
mean it's rock solid. Back there.
And guys, oh, dyan tayo pupunta.
Snowshoe, biking thrill.
Okay tayo, guys.
Huwag na kayo lola, madulas.
Dito lang kami. Kayo na lang.
Is it,
Because
Kuya,
you're
don't do that
OC.
again. Okay.
I slide down.
Oh, that's your clothes. It's not for slide. It's cotton. It should be the ski clothes. Maybe it pops.
Yeah, I'll just sit here.
Yeah, and then your pet is wet.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll just sit on like this.
Lamig.
Picture, sama ko. Sige naman.
Look at my hands. They're so snowy.
Okay.
Okay. That's fun. That was fun, love.
Yeah. I'm digging snow, Kuya. Join me.
Vanessa, come here. Don't go there, oh. May slide ka rin. Dire-diretso ka. Snow angel.
Lay down, lay down.
Lay down here, snow angel. Yeah, picture mo.
Nagasa na lang dyan. Ooh. So cold.
Come on, what ka sa kamo?
Dali.
Dudulas pa.
Ganda dito, guys. Oh.
Ayun, maganda.
Pag nagpunta tayo ng Falls Creek, dapat yan.
Hey, Kuya. I'll show you.
Lasapin mo na ang lamig dito. Pagdating sa Maynila, wala mo.
Mabubuo na naman to. Tapos pagdating ng umaga tanghali matutulaw. Kaya may mga tubig.
Oh, there you go. Bakit dito wala? Sorry, it's just to my hand. On my back, I move it. I thought you got your of my cocoa melon. I still have my spare snowball.
Ang ihit sa ko.
Ayun na guys.
Pakiramdam sa snow.
Ayun na guys, madulas oh. Kita niyo yung ice.
So it's
Oo.
definitely more difficult.
Slippery.
Slippery.
Parang pwede mag-drip pa.
Guys, pababa na kami. Andiyan na namin yung ice at Mount Buffalo.